Hey there, this portable steamer heats up in about 15 seconds and then it's ready to go for steam cleaning as opposed to using chemicals. Let's take a closer look. So here's a closer look at the machine itself. You can see control buttons are both on the machine as well as on the grip here. It has a handle for carrying it around. To fill it, it simply opens up here and it can be filled with water. It has a large tank capacity, and the steam hose is about 6.5 feet long. You're also going to get this extension rod for even farther reach with the cleaner, a window squeegee, as well as these two paddles, multiple brushes, a couple wire cleaners, as well as a couple cloth covers for more delicate items. I found it did a pretty good job cleaning things like this mirror or this glass, but one thing to note is that because it does put out so much steam, that the water did like to run down, of course, and I did have to wipe it up with a cloth. So I used the steamer on the bottom of this kettle, and as you can see, it is pretty dark. So I used the steamer on it multiple times to soften and loosen all that crud, and then I went back over it and scrubbed it, even using some dish detergent as well. And while it didn't get all of that off without plenty more scrubbing, you can definitely see a difference, especially around here where it wasn't caked on quite as much. So this is making quite a bit of a difference in helping me clean something like this up. So in addition to this being used inside the home, it's also great for outside the home, like in the garage, on the car. Again, I used it on glass, this time on the windshield, and it did a really nice job, actually better than I thought it did on the bathroom mirror, strictly because this glass is at an angle. It also did a nice job getting grime out along the wheels. I was able to just steam it and then wipe it down. Look at that crud. Finally, it's great for use on the interior of the car for a chemical-free clean. If you are looking for a new steamer, then I hope this video helps you out, and if this is a good product for you.